Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Open Firebase console with your Google project and enable Firestore in native mode for real-time rules and scalability. Once done, pick the nearest region to reduce latency, because you cannot change that later without export/import. On your machine, install Firebase CLI and run Firebase login to link credentials. This lets you initialize projects and deploy security rules. Make sure IAM permissions include Firestore admin so you can create databases and rules. Next, initialize the project locally and wire up rules and emulators. Run Firebase init, choose Firestore and the Firestore emulator, then accept default directories. Now author security rules that enforce least privilege and data shape. Rules act as runtime schema for client reads/writes. Create any composite indexes required and store them in Firestore. Indexes, JSON. Then add your Firebase config to the app SDK. Initialize Firestore with proper settings. And test reads/writes against the emulator before deploying live to avoid. Finally, deploy your rules and indexes, but first run full emulator tests. Use Firebase deploy only Firestore, rules, Firestore, indexes to push changes. Once deployed, monitor usage and performance in the console and enable billing alerts to prevent surprises. If something breaks, use the rules simulator and the emulator to reproduce issues locally, then inspect denied request logs to see which rule blocked access. Make sure index errors show up in console and create missing indexes. That fixes most query failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.